Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. What about you?
Very good, thanks. Welcome to Dubai Expo 2025 and to xChief. Can you tell us a bit about yourself, your name, and what you do?
Of course, thank you so much. It's a pleasure for me to be here with you and with xChief. My name is Auri. I'm the founder of Smart Tea. Smart Tea is an investment hub in which I try to find the best brokers, best traders, like to get connected all of them, you know, making sure that they are either investors and traders, they are working with regulated brokers, very good platforms, innovative. And I noticed that here in xChief, you use like very innovative tools as well. So
Thank you.
yeah, excited to be here.
Yeah, we're also very excited that you're here with us. How long have you been trading? When did you start your journey?
Yeah, actually, I started this journey in this market like for 4 years ago.
4 years ago.
Yes,
Wow.
yes.
And during that time, how successful were you trading when it comes to market, when it comes to basically the business?
Yeah, basically, I've been mostly focused on developing markets, most of it. Not as trader itself, but developing markets. So I have been having like experience with different traders in different kind of levels, like basic, intermediate, and premium, like very like professional traders. And yeah, I have seen like it's a very good business if you can choose properly.
What do you think makes a very successful trader?
I have noticed that the most important thing is discipline.
Okay.
Secondly, consistency. Yeah, those two.
And in this current market, 2025, we see a lot of changes around the globe, the economy, politics. So in this current environment, what do you think is needed besides those qualities to be a successful trader or to make consistent trading profits?
Yeah, of course, emotional intelligence. We have now AI, right, to help us with that. So, because I can see, even with these professional traders, that emotions sometimes is very, very like challenging. So, if we can mix these two things, AI with psychology of trading, and good broker and discipline, consistency, yeah, of course, results will come.
So, as you said, emotion is very, very difficult to control.
Yeah.
And maybe with AI, we can sort of offload some of that emotional intelligence to a AI system. But for most traders starting out, okay, what do you advise to be the steps they need to take to get to a point where they can control their emotions?
Okay. First, they need to have a plan. They need to create their own plans. That's something that works to their own strategy, not even trading strategy, but also emotion strategy. Yeah. After the plan, of course, they need to have good tools. You know, and sometimes I have noticed that some of these traders that I work with, they develop their own robots. They develop their own strategies, like based on themselves, how their habits. Like they kind of build very like good systems, and the people that doesn't have that is the people that, of course, they don't see results.
So, if you are to give one piece of advice
Yeah.
to new traders, what would it be?
To be fully committed
Okay.
with this and think on this as a professional career, because once you are committed, it doesn't matter the aspect of your life. It doesn't matter if it's with yourself or with the trading. Once you are committed to something, then you put all your efforts, and then you become excellent with something.
Very good answer. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.